family, long time no see. So today we are doing Gypsy locks. We will use the Afro Kinky and the Gypsy locks, and this is the color. So let's do some combing and then we partition the hair. So because the partition might not be as perfect, we are going to use shine and jam gel to make it a little better. Then we braid my natural hair first. I don't know why I was braiding on the opposite direction from the direction I usually braid, but it seems to be more tighter this way. Getting that perfect line is a struggle, I can't lie. I was trying all possible ways to make it tight. Not too tight, but manageable kind of tight. This is how the first and the second line look like. So the shining gel was really instrumental for me. Now I'm done with the left side. Now onto the right side. So I was looking at the hair on the back side and I was figuring a backup plan because there is no way I was braiding all this hair. Can you imagine? I have so African hair. Anyway. Because the left side only took quite some time, I was like, we're not doing this. I don't know why I'm showing the shine and jam gel again. I love holding my hair like this so that it doesn't stress me out while I'm braiding. And within no time we were done with the front side, but it actually took more time than I initially thought it could. Yeah, now to the back side. I perceived some lines could do because there is no way I was going through the process again as much as this was the plan. And here we are done. This is how the hair looks from the back side. So let's start with the Afro Kinky and then the Gypsy Locs. Don't mind the first one, I didn't finish after tying it and I actually forgot until the end of the video, so don't mind it, it's not complete. The back side, we quickly do the crocheting. If you want to see how this one is done, please refer to my previous videos, I have so many of them. Now to the front side. So we take the fluffy Kinky and first cut into halves and then divide the halves again. So basically it's 4 strands from one. You get it? And then we comb it until we have it like this. So for the fluffy Kinky, you crochet it inside the hair and then twists it around like this. I don't like my hair being too tight, but it fixed just enough. At the end, you can just rub it. So we repeat the same process. And at the end, you just tie it and rub it off. So now on the Gypsy lock itself, you are going to insert the crochet on the space and crochet where the natural hair ends at the very edge. And now, because my hair is long, I don't want to use a lot of fluffy kinky, so I just shorten it a bit and insert it inside the hair. I'm really struggling to see. And then you insert the fluffy hair as I did show previously. One side needs to be a bit shorter than the other, or rather one needs to be longer than the other. Here we are. Repeat the process. And we are done, and here is the final look. Now a little touch up and boom, done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.